Alright, so in this specific one, we are going to learn about EBS snapshots, right? We already covered about EBS snapshot in the theoretical video. Now this is the practical demonstration. Apart from learning how we can create an EBS snapshot and how we can delete it, we would learn how we can copy one snapshot to another availability zone. Secondly is if an snapshot is deleted accidentally, how would you recover it from the recycle bin? By adding in retention rule, right? So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, I am currently present on EC2 instance, and my instance is currently in stop status. However, there is a volume mounted to it, and you can check it over volumes. So this volume is currently mounted to my EC2 resource. Okay, you can just click over here and it will take you back to the Reddit server, right? Okay, so let us go back to volumes. Now let's consider that I want to take a snapshot of this specific volume. So I'll select it, I click on actions, and then I will click on create snapshot. Here you can leave all the thing as default and click on create snapshot and your snapshot will be created. Now either you can click over here, you will be redirected to the snapshot screen, or else go to Elastic Block Store section and click on snapshots and you will find your snapshot present over here, right? Now, what are the things that you can do over here, right? So as I mentioned, if you want to copy this snapshot to some another region, you can click on copy snapshot and then you can select any of the destination, right? And this is very much helpful in disaster recovery section, right? Now, that was the option that we can explore. Now, second is what will happen if I accidentally delete it, right? So in order to do that, we need to first define a retention rule in the recycle bin. Now, how would I go to the recycle bin? You can either click over here or simply type recycle bin over here and you'll find the recycle bin here, right? So yeah, let's click on it and here we are present on recycle bin screen, right? As you can see, it is saying that protect your Amazon EBS snapshots and Amazon AMIs from accidental deletions, right? Now, what are AMIs, Amazon Machine Images? We are going to cover this in the forthcoming videos, but now let us focus on EBS snapshots, right? So as I mentioned earlier, let us consider if the snapshot is deleted accidentally, how do we recover that? So before deletion, we need to think from disaster recovery perspective, right? So what will we do? Before creating the snapshot, instead we are going to define a retention rule for the same, and you can write it anything. So re retention rule 01. Okay, so that's just an optional name. You can just write anything. It may be your disaster recovery retention rule. And here we need to select the resource type. Now since it is an EBS snapshot, we'll click on EBS snapshot, click on apply to all resources. Then this retention rule will apply to all the resources of the selected time. And here you can define the retention period, right? It is the time period that the resources can be recovered after the deletion, right? All right. If you want to enable a lock in the retention rule, that's your choice. However, let us keep it as unlock. Now, what do I mean by unlock and lock? Basically, we have the definition given over here, which is very much clear. Lock the retention rule to prevent it from being accidentally deleted or maliciously updated or deleted, right? So we are giving a double lock over here, right? Okay. So once all of the above is done, let us click on create retention rule. And now our retention rule has been defined. Okay. Now let us go back to the snapshots and let us click over here. And now we are going to delete this snapshot. Type delete and click on delete. Okay, the snapshot has been deleted successfully. Now let us go back to recycle bin. Okay, refresh the page and click on resources. And as you can see, the snapshot which we have deleted is present over here. Also, the bin entry and the exit date is also been mentioned here. Okay. All right. So since it is deleted today, we are getting Tuesday as it is Tuesday today, and exit date. Remember, We set the retention rule over there for the days to recovery. As we set one day, we are getting Tuesday to Wednesday, right? So now let us click on recover resource. And now once I go back to snapshot and once I refresh it, you can see the snapshot is back and it's up and running, right? So that was all about this video where we learned how we can create a snapshot, okay, how we can delete a snapshot, and how we can create a retention rule for it, how we can recover a deleted snapshot. All right, so that was all about this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you.